Hello guys and welcome to how to tutorial. So today in this video I will show you how to create Lego account on your PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up your web browser, go to your search tab and type the URL www.lego.com and enter. This will lead you to the official website of Lego, and here on the top bar you can see account. Click on it, and here you'll get to see this register option here. Click on it. And this is where you can create your Lego account. If you already have an account, then you can log in, but since we do not have any, we will be using our email for now to create our account, but you can also use your Facebook account, your Google account, or your iOS account. Now for that, we gotta fill up this short form here that includes first name, last name, email address that you want your account to be associated with, your password, and choose your country by clicking on this drop down option. Select your date of birth and click on this yes create account button here. Now with this, you will receive a activation code on the email that you have provided. Now as you can see that I have already received one, give your code here and click on this next button. Now you can see that I have already logged in. To make sure, go to your account and check. This is the overview of my account and we're ready to go. So this was it for today guys. If you guys liked the video and find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.